Hello my dreamers and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my first video of 2020. I'm really excited to film this video. Also very nervous. As you can see from the title, I am going to be cutting my hair, specifically my bangs, on camera. So I think it's been like 6 or 7 years since I've last had bangs. So I like just completely grew it out, and this has just been my hair for 6 or 7 years. And I feel like since it's 2020, why not start off with a bang? Get a new do, get some bangs, and yeah, we'll go from there. I am a little bit nervous filming this video or just doing this in general. It took me a very long time to grow my bangs out. So like this is the longest I've ever had my hair. Like when I was younger, whenever my bangs grew like to my eyes, I would immediately cut them, and they were more of like the blunt bangs as well. So that was like the trend back in the day. For this time around, I want to do some more lighter see-through bangs. So these are like very popular trend in like Korea right now. I've been wanting some bangs for a while now, but I was a little bit scared. Like I said, I was contemplating going back and forth, deciding if like this is the best decision for me, but I decided I want to do it. Hair will always grow, and my hair tends to grow really fast anyway. So yeah, I'm really excited to jump into the video. So if you guys are interested in seeing me cut my bangs, then continue watching. Okay, so I have just straightened hair, obviously, and I just straightened it a little bit. But yeah, like I said, the parting here, I do have like a widow's peak, I guess, right here. I guess this is just how it's gonna be. So let's just go ahead and separate this. Obviously for this type of bangs, like I don't want it to be too short. I'm just gonna try to like separate as much as I can. Just can't really see. So I've been watching a couple of videos, and yeah, like you kind of try to make it into like a triangle in the front here. Oh, I wonder if this is a little bit too much. And then there's some hair on the side here, and I should pull some from here too. Look at this. This is like very long, you guys. Super long. I just like grew it out so much. Woo. I got these little baby scissors, and I'm just gonna try to start off like slow first. Like I really don't want to just like chop it off, let's just try to chop around like my nose area. I'm trying not to pull on my hair too much either. Oh geez. Oh my god. Okay, well, this part came off. Okay, so this part, oh my god, how is it gonna be even? Okay, I gotta just hold it like this. Oh my god, my hair is pretty thick, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. So this is the bang so far. As you can see, it's pretty long. Should I just keep them this long? Should I do it right underneath my eyes? Oh my god, my hair is really thick. So I might have to do it like one by one. Okay, it's kind of getting there. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, this part looks shorter. Okay. I'm just like winging it right now, honestly. Okay, so let's just recap for now. Okay. I kind of want the bangs to be a little bit longer because I want to like try to style it. But let's just go ahead and cut from underneath here, I guess. Just try to make it a little bit more even. See, this part I think is a little bit shorter, this middle part here, but it's okay. Alright, let's just split it for now, and then try to do the side here. So obviously I want to kind of do like a little bit more angular. So I'm gonna try to do it like a little bit more like. Wow, this is a little bit more. Okay, this is not as good as this side over here. Alright. Okay, let me just try to style this a little bit. So I got this little roller here. Okay. Alright, so this is my hair. I'm going to use this and try to heat it up. Okay. I really wanted to cover my eyes when I curl them, so. Alright you guys, and this is the outcome of my bangs. I will have to play around with it a little bit more. I'm not really sure how I feel about it right now. Honestly, I can't really do anything about it anymore because obviously it's already cut. But yeah, I just have to play around with it a little bit more. I don't know if I have to cut some more hair, but so far I just feel like I look a little bit different. So yeah, this is perfect for the new year, a new do. I've never really had bangs with blonde hair before, so this is a new look for sure. It's not like the usual blunt bangs I always go for, so it's a little bit different, and like I feel like I have to really like keep like fixing it a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna have to try to see if I can find some products for this so I can make my bangs stay in like how I want it to, because like right now it's just like all over the place. But yeah, we'll just see how this goes for the new year. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for following me on to 2020. I'm very excited for the new year, and I'm very excited to put out more content for this year. So stay tuned for more videos, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family on YouTube. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Seconds start to